Let's talk about riding gear that adapts and keeps you always ahead. Let's take a look at the LS2 X Armor and the newest LS2 X Terrain. Everyone's familiar with the X Armor, and we have Bay here to discuss the experience as someone who's used it
Yes.
extensively sa rides. Kumusta yung X Armor, Bay?
So, this LS2 Lady X Armor is featured in almost every other video that I post, so I've been able to test this baby out. And it is one of my favorite pieces of protective gear when I'm riding in the Philippines. Number one, why? Because of how breathable the LS2 Armor is. Kita nyo din po dito sa bagong design, it's almost pure mesh. So when you're riding po, you get really nice ventilation. It's also comfy, and especially for the lady riders out there, diba? We always like when there's a little bit of a waist cinch. So this is honestly one of my favorite pieces of gear, and one of the gears that when I post, most of my lady riders or friends actually share na.
Yes.
Bumili na din sila.
Very fashionable din kasi.
Yes
no?
po.
It's very lightweight, kaya
Yes.
it's very easy to use. Especially if hindi mahilig sa riding jacket, full riding jacket.
Yes.
Kasi sometimes hindi ka sanay sa weight.
Yes.
I think X Armor is perfect.
And restricted din po usually sa riding jackets kasi when you lift your arms up, of course, it's a bit tight here. With these ones po, you can lift it all the way up. You have full motion, para perfect siya if you're riding any type of bike. For us, it's sports bikes kasi. So when we're in riding position, this is one of the most comfortable jackets that I've been able to try yet.
Yes, it's completely CE rated kasi meron siyang protectors, and even the fabric itself is rated for safety certification based on European standards at 5,990.
Yes.
The value for money, talagang always ahead.
Very
And
affordable.
extending that great lineup with a new model, this year we'll be introducing in suot ni JB, the LS2 X Terrain.
Yes.
Yes.
So excited for this.
Anong first impressions mo, JB, wearing it now?
Well, it's the first time actually wearing the X Terrain kasi I have then the X Armor. So, tuwan-tuwa na ako sa X Armor. Pero, wearing this, naramdaman ko agad na mas okay yata ang ventilation niya. Dahil talagang
Yes,
mas malalaki
bigger.
yung butas ng mesh niya. And, adjustability niya talagang mas...
Oh, sa arms,
Sa
meron
arms,
na
yes,
rin.
talagang mas
Yeah.
adjustable siya. And guys, tignan niyo naman.
Ang ganda. Para siyang exoskeleton na jacket.
Actually,
Yes.
parang sabi ko, papasa na rin siya as riding jersey or jacket para sa akin.
Yes.
Perfect na perfect.
Also, iba itsura pag si JB. Kasi pag sinuot ka, hindi rin ganyan yung dating. Hindi exoskeleton yung dating sa akin.
So, tulad na sinabi ni Sir Jose kanina, bakit ba sobrang importante ng mga protectors? Dahil, of course, pag bumagsak tayo, ito ang mag-protect sa atin. So, harap, likod. So, kahit gumulong-gulong ka siguro niya, pag nakaganito ka, kahit paano, you're safe.
So as mentioned ni JB, this X Terrain, what makes it an evolution, a perfect evolution of the X Armor, are the mix of materials for increased comfort, increased and better fit, as well as increased safety. Number one na yan would be sa arms and extending at certain parts of the torso, yung stretch nylon fabric,
Yes.
which is a continuation of the design from the X Armor. It gives you that yung ease of movement as well as better fit. And then, as mentioned by JB, yung mesh panels natin is an improvement from the small mesh
Yes,
fabric
very small.
used in the X Armor. With this one, it's bigger mesh fabric that's still CE rated. So, may abrasion resistance pa rin yan and tear resistance. For the protectors, this is an evolution as well. We use the ACF, which is artificial cartilage foam. This is actually foam yan, kaya medyo malambot siya and hugs your physique much
Fun
better,
impact.
di ba? It actually mimics cartilage the way your cartilage protects your bones. So, nakakagalaw ka pa rin. It's very flexible. It's very lightweight. But it protects you when there's impact. It hardens and protects your body.
Yes.
So, the mix of these materials create the new design as well as new and improved features for the X Terrain.
So, isa sa mga unang features actually na pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is yung belt waist niya. Nasa gilid na lang siya. Hindi katulad nung sa X Armor na nakabuo siya. Kasi before, kahit malaki tiyan ko, naiipit ng konti. So, dito talagang mas
Yeah.
breathable siya.
You have
And,
option from the sides.
yes. And, meron pala siyang hidden pocket.
So, perfect pag gusto mo itago yung lisensya mo, yung mga RFIDs or coin siguro or pera.
Yeah.
Talagang protected ka rin dahil talagang ako nga hindi ko agad nakita eh, di ba?
Hidden talaga yung pocket. Very functional.
And meron din siyang belt loop sa likod. So, pag meron ka ng belt, nakasuot ka na ng pants, pwede mo siya ipasok para hindi siya umaangat. So, talagang naka-fit siya, naka-snug na snug siya. And very, very comfortable.
So, ito ang tipong gear upgrade na para sa akin, add to cart agad. I'm not gonna miss out on getting myself one of these amazing new jackets.
And of course, you can buy this now at any Moto Market, Moto World, or Moto Style stores nationwide.
Or at www.motoworld.com.ph.
So with the expanding line for X Armor and X Terrain, you have all the choice for the perfect gear that fits you. You don't replace your gear, you build on it. X Armor, X Terrain, ride safe,
Right.
Smart.
and see you on the next one.